There you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you
Happy birthday, Vincent! Magkaiba kayo. Isa pa. AM na lang. AM. Happy birthday, AM!
Yes, you want her.
Happy birthday, AM!
Happy birthday, anak!
Alam mo naman, nung malit ka pa rin.
There's one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl.
Our birthday celebrant, the star of the night. Here is AM.
Ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la. Ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame? Too bad he gonna miss the girl. Now's your moment. Floating.
AM, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sana ay makatapos ka sa pag-aaral mo. Wish namin yun ni Daddy. Marating mo yung kung ano yung gusto mo. Kung ano man yung passion mo, kung ano yung desires mo, kung ano yung nasa puso mo, support lang kami ni Daddy.
Sha la 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 la. Don't be scared. You got the mood prepared. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la. Don't stop now. Don't try to hide it. How you want to kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la. Float along. We listen to the song. The song said kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la. Music play. Do what the music say. You've got to kiss the girl. You've got to kiss the girl. Well, don't you wanna kiss the girl? Go on and kiss the girl.
AM, anak, pagpatuloy mo lang yung magandang ginagawa mo. Sila ate, sila Kel, alalayan mo, alam mo si ate. Just continue your dreams at kami ni Mami naman ay nandirito para sa'yo.
Nakasuporta lang kami, anak. So, lahat ng gusto mo, pipilitin natin na matupad lahat yun.
In welcoming siblings Hannah and Kale. Come on! The proud parents of our birthday celebrant. Let's give it up for Mommy Odile and Daddy Ronald.
I hope you enjoy your debut kahit ayaw mo. And I wish that you could be successful in the future.
Sana tumangkad ka pa. Pero sana ma-enjoy mo yung debut mo ngayon kahit alam namin na ayaw mo. Pero ginawa to nila Mami dahil alam niya na once in a lifetime lang naman yung debut. So, ayun, sana paglaki maging successful ka and ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo.
I can see anybody in this room as beautiful as you. 80th birthday. And I love you.
Sometimes I feel like I'm strong. There's no fear. Sometimes the storm washes me away like sand on shore. Today I'm just floating aimlessly.
Sana mabait ka pa rin na kapatid tsaka anak sa family mo.
At basta sa akin lang, tapusin natin ang ating pag-aaral at kailangan natin sa buhay natin.
Happy birthday, EM. Sana magka-boyfriend ka na. Sana huwag kang makikinig sa mga pinsa mo. Kailangan mamit kay Daddy.
Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Lahat na miss mo nasa iyo. Ang bait, ang ganda, ang talino.
Kayong magmadali. Bata pa kayo. Pero piliin mo laging maging masaya.
Wish ko na yung plano mong course ay yun ang kunin mo.
Sundin mo lahat ng dreams mo and lagi ka makikinig kay mommy and daddy tsaka sa amin.